face in your face.
What the hell is going on down there?
Let's get space out a bit. Go back.
Holy moly, moly, moly.
I think we're gonna fill it up though. Let me go. I get one out of it. I was